To ensure effective communication, regardless context, focus on clarify, active listening, language appropriate for your audience, and close attention to both nonverbal and verbal cues. Mention strategies or tips to follow to make your message clear using nonverbal and verbal cues and tone of voice, active listening, and feedback. Physical context refers to the environment where communication happens, like a classroom or a park. Social context involves the relationship between communicators and social forms, such as speaking formally to a friend. Psychological context relates to the mood and emotions of the communicators, which can affect how messages are interpreted. Cultural context encompasses the shared beliefs, values, and forms of a group, influencing communication style and interpretations. Adapting communication style is crucial for effective interaction. Different contexts of formality, tone, and language. For example, formal presentation to a board of director demands a different style than a casual chat with a close friend. Adapting communication style is crucial for effective interaction. This includes tailoring language, tone, and medium to a specific context, audience, and a purpose of communication. For example, using formal language and a respectful tone when addressing a superior is necessary, while a more casual approach is suitable for friends or family. Different communication channels like email, phone calls, or face to face meetings also influence the appropriate style. In closing, remember that clear and effective communication is the cornerstone of successful, productive teamwork and harmonious society. By striving for a clarify in our words and actions, and by actively listening to understand others, we can build stronger connections to navigate the complexities of life with a greater ease and understanding.